The world still carried the scars of the first war. Even while everyone pretended it was peace, Germany lived with losses it couldn't forget. And a man named Hitler stepped onto the stages, promising a return to greatness. He spoke of pride, purity, empire, turning resentment into something far more dangerous. In 1939, tanks rolled into Poland, their engines cutting through the illusion of calm. France and Britain answered, but the storm had already gone global. The Second World War moved fast, restless, ambitious. Blitzkrieg struck like lightning across the land. Quick, brutal, precise cities fell one after another, and fear became a language everyone understood. And the world kept turning under a sky full of fire, holding on to hope in the smallest places. Every step forward felt fragile, but no one stopped moving, because stopping meant losing everything. Britain held the line alone as bombs fell on London like a storm of steel. Churchill vowed to fight on beaches and in skies, and the tired, stubborn people believed him. To the east, Hitler broke his pact with Russia and marched into the frozen silence, only for Stalingrad to stop the dream. Cold winter, and the Soviet war began to turn the tide. Across the Pacific, Japan prepared its strike. In 1941, Pearl Harbor burned, and the United States woke to the weight of war. Now the whole planet trembled under the same dark clouds. Factories roared like metal choirs, women carried the future forward. Hope traveled in uniforms and in letters home. In 1944, D-Day brought courage to the shores of Normandy, and Europe breathed again. In 1945, Berlin fell, Hitler died, and the cost of madness stood in plain sight. But the fire didn't end. Hiroshima and Nagasaki saw a brightness that should never have existed. The war ended, but the fear remained. The United Nations rose, dreaming of peace, while the Cold War whispered that the world's heart was still divided. The Second World War left more than ruins, it left a warning. Power without empathy destroys, and peace is a choice we must keep choosing again and again.